Hello everyone, and welcome to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial. In this video, we'll delve into the block connector, a versatile tool that can connect any two elements in various diagram types. This tutorial will show you how to use it effectively, especially in flowcharts. The block connector is a universal connector found in the drawing group. It's a flexible tool for linking elements in your diagrams. Let's demonstrate its use in a flowchart. As you can see, we have a simple flowchart with several flow elements. Now we'll add a new shape to this diagram. For this example, let's choose a gear shape. This can represent a specific process or function in your flowchart. After placing the gear shape, let's add some text to it. We'll label it Apply Formatting to indicate the function of this step. Now it's time to use the block connector to link our elements. Find the block connector in the drawing group and select it. Next, they will connect the read process element in our flowchart to the newly added gear shape using the block connector. The connector currently appears as a simple line, but let's transform it into an arrow. Open the Properties sidebar to access the connector's settings. In the Properties sidebar, change the connector kind to either arrow or striped arrow, depending on your preference. Lastly, we'll fine-tune our connector. Use the orange diamond grips on the connector to adjust the size of the block arrow. This lets you tailor the arrow's appearance to fit your diagram perfectly. Beautiful. That's how you use and customize the block connector in Software Ideas Modeler. It's a simple, yet useful tool for connecting elements in your diagrams. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides on Software Ideas Modeler. See you in the next video.